Lost your Hdfc credit card and need the number urgently? Don't panic. This video will guide you through safe and reliable ways to retrieve it. First, the easiest and quickest way is through the Hdfc Bank mobile banking app. Open the app on your phone and log in using your customer ID and password. Once you're logged in, look for the cards section. It's usually located in the menu or dashboard. Tap on it to proceed. You will see a list of all the Hdfc credit cards linked to your account. Select the card you're looking for while the one you've misplaced. Now, look for an option like View Card Number, Show Card Details, or something similar. Tap on it. You may be prompted to enter your NetBanking password, or use biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for security reasons. Complete the authentication process. After successful authentication, your full credit card number will be displayed securely on your screen. Make sure you are in a private place and no one is looking over your shoulder. Note it down carefully in a safe place or memorize it for immediate use. Alternatively, you can find your credit card number through Hdfc Bank's NetBanking Portal. Open your web browser and go to the official Hdfc Bank website. Log in using your customer ID and password. Similar to the mobile app, navigate to the cards section. This is often found in the main menu or account dashboard. Click on it. You'll see a list of your Hdfc credit cards. Select the relevant card from the list. Look for options such as View Card Details, Show Card Number, or something similar. You might be asked to verify your identity through OTP verification. Once verified, the full credit card number will be displayed on the screen. As before, ensure your surroundings are private and secure before viewing and noting down the number. If you are unable to access the app or NetBanking, contact Hdfc Bank customer support. Call their toll-free number. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity before they can assist you with retrieving your card number. Remember, never share your credit card number with anyone over email or an unsecure website. Only access this information through official Hdfc Bank channels for your safety and security.